and welcome to E-News of IPR Department. I'm Mangshila presenting you all the news bulletin. Health Bulletin of COVID-19 as on 8th of December by Health Department. Sikkim adjudged as the best performing small state in cleanliness and most improved small state in governance. Chief Minister attends the inter-company volleyball tournament at Sikkim Armed Police camp in Pangthang. 5 days training on production of cloth pad to self-help group women in Mangshila. Now in details. The number of active COVID-19 cases in Sikkim increased by 13 new cases and total number of active cases now stands at 363 on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the numbers of discharged patients are 21, 1 from hospital and 20 from home isolation on Monday. Currently, 6 patients are in ICU facility at the COVID-dedicated STNM hospital. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the state has reached 5,215. Sikkim adjudged as the best performing small state in cleanliness and most improved small state in governance in the India Today E-State of the States Conclave 2020, which was virtually held on 5th December 2020. The annual India Today the State of States study is an attempt to find out which of the India's states offer its citizens the best opportunities both at work and outside. The Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang in his acceptance of the award stated that the award could not have been possible without the involvement, participation, sense of ownership and efforts by the Sikkimese gentry. He also mentioned that the organs of the state government have a very active role and effort in making the state where it is today. Their single-minded effort has made the state a pinnacle of cleanliness and tourism. He also expressed the inspirational initiatives of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi's, namely Swachh Bharat and minimum government and maximum governance, which the state of Sikkim follows dedicatedly. He also applauded the acknowledgement of the India Today group for the state's effort towards progressive growth and good governance. The conclave was held virtually due to the current situation of the COVID-19 pandemic on 5th December 2020. Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang attended the inter-company volleyball tournament at Sikkim Armed Police camp in Pangthang yesterday. During his visit, he assured that the government will work towards the augmentation of the camp, including the living quarters and other basic amenities. Government will also be carrying out similar work on all the camps in Sikkim concerning the security personnel. He also rendered some assistance for the upgradation of gyms, PA systems, mechanical tools and equipments and the bagpiper band. The first meeting of the district-level Nasha Mukt Bharat Campaign Committee was conducted on 7th December at the chamber of the District Collector, District Administrative Center, Siche. During the meeting, the District Collector explained in detail about the Nasha Mukt campaign to be conducted in the district for effective implementation and role and responsibilities of District Committee. Various points were discussed during the meeting for taking further actions, such as to conduct awareness generation program in all schools and colleges and to increase community participation and public cooperation. Utilization of various media strategy for mass awareness for the district campaign and further implementation. To use local language in the awareness materials in all block level so that the information, education and communication reaches to grassroots level. Implementation of one-line awareness activities through NGOs. Identifications of substance users and taking them to rehabilitation centers, hospitals for counseling and treatment and after rehabilitation measures of the drug recovering patients. Monitoring of counseling and treatment facilities in the district. Formulation of students' clubs in colleges to discuss and spread awareness and revival of Sathi program. Strict implementation of ban in sale of cigarettes with 100 meters of an educational religions, institutions and hospitals. Obtaining information on the availability sale of drugs and review the action taken on such information. identifying volunteers in the community, giving them ID card, badge and training them as a community peer to spreading awareness in the community through resource person appointed by the concerned ministry and training program for the service providers, and to utilize social media platform by uploading video featuring renowned personalities who have quit uses of substance drugs, helpline numbers, counseling centers, information, etc. The inaugural ceremony of 5 days training on production of cloth pad to self-help group women of under Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao was held in Mangshila Village Administrative Center on December 7th. The training program was being initiated by District Administration North Sikkim under the banner of BBBP with the vision of making SHG women of Mangshila self-reliant, to adopt GPO as sanitary waste free and benefiting adolescent girls at large. During the program, DC North expressed his views on how sustainable cloth pads are and the various advantages that the use of cloth pad can bring in the society. He also insisted upon making Mangshila Tibuk GPU sanitary waste free and adopting the GPU for making it a role model. Likewise, a national NGO Pinkish Foundation in association with an upcoming NGO of Sikkim Khushi Unlimited organized a pad donation program at Dhupi Pokhari, West Sikkim on 8 December 2020. The main motive of this program was to spread awareness among women regarding the self-sanitization, as most women in remote villages still cannot afford to buy pads. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates. Keep watching E-News of IPR Department. Thank you.